Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. Here is Coffee Time, and this is Sami again here. And today, as you see here, 3rd of July 2023. And let me say that again, from the map, and long life the king. Okay, what I like to do, this is our client, which is now uh, last part, which was talk to your PC, send voice command, just execute command with voice, is still not here because that's in another project, and for a reason that is not for me mission accomplished, but because that was a subscription in Azure, I'm not going to implement that. But what can I do if I'm using other libraries, older libraries? I can implement it without any subscription. I think. But today I want, and I decide each video or each part introduce one of these components. What you see here, and just important one what you see daily maybe, and we learn together. I don't know these components, just label, text, and basics, but as you see here, there are too many things here you make deal with. I don't know also them, but we can learn it together. But that's what. And imagine now here, for example, if I'm going to mp3 downloader, we have here two text box. Okay, what happened, Sami, if you, for example, if I run the program and I want just empty, look, I'm not going to input some links of what, just I want say now start. What will happen here if I'm starting this? It crashed or what? Nothing. Nothing happened. Nothing. Okay, because we have but I want to do something here. I want to say, okay, if that is in web application, we have validation. Okay, that, for example, if that is empty, you say that's required or what. And here in the forefront, let me first make a tea. Okay, but in the form of a Windows Form application, there is also something like that. Okay, let's see which component is that. And we have here a component as error provider, I think, which here, error provider. If I click here, okay, I get here a component or a tool or what you want, whatever you want, as error provider, which is here container control, and these are all information what you are. And here you can also choose your icon. Here is the simplest one, because this is all about educational. I want just to see first how you easily make this, and then you can also directly write code here. Okay, that's up to you. But I like to, for example, I drag, if I want to make a button there, I click here and I put button here. Okay, but here if you want to do this, you can do like this. Look at this. You say here you are going to declare it here, and then yeah, that's the same, because Sami is little bit one click, two click, and that's why. Here, if form is empty, if the URL to download is empty, we want to show some error or what. Okay, here let me, there is two things I want to say. If here clicks, or you can say if form loads. For example, let me come here and show you. This is form class, which it has a constructor. Okay, okay? Constructor, as you know, it initialize when that fires up, okay? That is what you get. An initialize component, what it fires up there, okay? And you can also pass it there. Form load here. This form load, if I say, for example, text box 2 is equal to this, when the form is loaded or program runs, these things here happened in form load, okay? But for now, let me go to the which one was that button? This button, this start button, this button, okay? Now let's say here, okay, I wanna say no, I don't wanna say nothing. I wanna go to ChatGPT. I say, hey bro, you there? Because we want learn how we get best result and communicate with AI machines, because this is a technology of the future and this is must. And if you try to understand this, because I can write it by myself, but this is easier to me, okay? Here I want to say this is my method here. This is my method and I have error provider. I say error provider 1, okay? And now if text box 1 is empty, show red icon, okay? Let's see what we get. Okay, what we get, let's read the code. It say, okay, we have a button here and it say if a string, it say here now a string is empty, here is text box 1. Let me copy this code, or copy this code only, because method, and I'm coming here. This button on clicked, when it's clicked, it's already execute some task there, okay? Before that tasks, I want to say here if that text box 1, which let me see it, that is text box 3. If text box 3, where was that, bro? If text box 3 here, if text box 3 is empty or null, what the heck? Okay, sorry, text box 3, okay, that text is empty, and then I say that error provider, that set error and accept 2 parameter, which component, that is text box 3, which is here 1, and then say please enter value or whatever you want, okay? This is a standard syntax. Error provider, and then this set error, else clear, and then voila. Okay, let me see here what it's saying. Please wait until you get okay. Okay, and this is what I asked also to make, and voila, we have this one, okay? And now we expect if we click there, we get some error, not some error, some error, or some message, or something, okay? And now let's go to the mp3 player and say start, and it say it's not possible, and you see we get, this is validation. Actually those tasks, because before we implement this, you saw when we click there, all those lines execute after each other, but here it's not possible. You have to put something here, otherwise program is not validated and not executable, okay? This was for tonight, and have a nice day. See you in the next one.